Sea rewilding is an area of environmental conservation activity which focuses on rewilding, restoring ocean life and returning seas to a more natural state. Sea rewilding projects operate around the world, working to repopulate a wide range of organisms, including giant clams, sharks, skates, sea sturgeons, and many other species. Rewilding marine and coastal ecosystems offer potential ways to mitigate climate change and sequester carbon. Sea rewilding projects are currently less common than those focusing on rewilding land, and seas are under increasing stress from the blue economy, commercial activities which further stress the marine environment. Seagrass meadows store carbon dioxide. More than 90% of the United Kingdom's historic seagrass meadows have been lost. Restoring meadows could offset carbon emissions and provide habitat for numerous fish and shellfish species. Research into seagrass, which covers about 1% of the sea floor, suggests that it may be delivering 15–18% of carbon storage in the ocean. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.